Welcome back to the SEO module, and we have reached its end. So these are the basics of SEO. There are many things we did not have time to cover. We know of at least 200 ranking factors that play a role in searches. Some of them go into the most in-depth detail and will have to be included in our next advanced course on the topic. Until then, remember the big chapters related to SEO. Technical SEO, which included good page speed, few coverage errors, and all of that. Content SEO, which included how to research keywords, how to structure text, and what words to use when you write. Online authority, which included researching backlinks and doing link building. And user interactions, which means providing users with the best possible experience on your website. This is it. Use all of the info from this module to start building up the complex SEO process for your website. And stay tuned for the next module, where we look at how to track your results and your website traffic. This will be part of module number 2, which is called Website and User Analytics.